Okay, so you've seen the Sora videos. I did that one, right? Sora, awesome video. The video engine for AI, amazing. Now we got a new one, Lumalabs. It's been around for a minute, but not to be confused with Luma AI. So let me show you this, right? There's Luma AI, and it has you got to go for Luma Labs, and there's another one called Luma Live. Luma Labs is the one we're looking at today, and is also known as Luma AI. But Luma Labs comes with a nice price configuration, as you usually see. Now, this is creating images and video, and I'm guessing the access to video sort of like what Zora does. We'll see if it is that good. I'm going to try the $9 a month plan so we can see what it does. And then we're going to take a look at the Dream Machine. Dream Machine is the app they have. There's a web version and a phone-based version or mobile version. And apparently many things you can do with it, but here they claim to be talking about doing creative video and ideas for fashion, right? So one of those things. So it's an interesting thing. This app does something that is very special. We're going to talk about it. Let's get to it. Okay, who's ready to play with this Dream Machine? I got the app and we're ready to go. Let's do it. Let's go and find out what we can do with this thing. And we can try it now. There we go. Ray 2 camera motion is here. That's pretty awesome. Just want to take a quick moment to let you know about something you might like. If you are looking to start your own business, create your own branding kits, there's a great app called Luca. Luca actually provides you with everything you need, the full branding kit, just by entering a few answers and making a few selections on your graphics and colors. It will give you the full color palette. It will give you your presentation materials, logos in different modalities, and brochures, as well as social media banners. You can't beat it. It will save you a ton of time. I've used it for Corpraxis and many other brands. So check the link in the description if you want to find out more. So you got good images and you have also video. They have some boards here, I think, already. I'm going to show you something that I've done. So some of the things that I was working with, if they are here. There we go. Okay, so here's superhero images that I was working with. Looking at a superhero standing at the Chrysler building. And okay, it did some interesting things. Let me show you some of the things that he came out with. So for example, I gave it an image of myself when I was trying to do this, because my intent was to have my face in front of the thing. And just, I don't know, gave me different versions of what I could be, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, it seems to be that this is not something, it doesn't seem at this point, it's one of those apps you can just jump in and start getting some crazy results. What you have here is action figure of a graphic designer. And then this, it did very well. I gave it the image of a Trans Am and told it, hey, create a Trans Am, and there it is. So that's pretty neat. You can see some good details there. And it does give you several options. Now, the cool thing that this has is that you can make this into a video. So for example, you can click make video, and there is the one item, and then you can do another one with an M frame, I guess, and then you add another M frame to that. So camera rotates from left to right, showcasing the car. I don't know how this will work. Again, we're trying things, so we'll see what happens. So here's revving up a 3D showcase. I love how it gives you the prompts, the notifications. Hey, we're doing this. It always gets very creative. It just like marketing flair to it. It's like revving up a 3D case, waiting for your turn. So obviously, some people are using this stuff already. And this is what you get when you buy the cheap plan. So when you buy the cheap plan, you need to wait for everybody else in the queue, that type of thing. In pay to play is what it's called on this apps. So pay to play. So we're looking at that and see what happens. Here's this Dream Machine, and there's another version of the Dream Machine added there. And we'll see how this works out. Still cooking up, 40 seconds, waiting my turn. So we'll see. Since it's making video, we can probably go to another board and see what we can do. So now we can add our own board, and you can use the style. You could do camera pulls out or create an image of. So camera pulls out, I'm going to try this one. And so camera pulls out to show a scenic landscape. Let's say camera pulls out to show construction workers arguing. Try to do something that we use in real life, like something that, you know, we will use in real life, because, you know, all these AI apps can make fantastic stuff, right? So yeah, like a chimp playing chess, a cat made of oranges. I'm going to show you that in a minute. They're samples. They're kind of crazy. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's take a break. I'm going to show you the samples. Enjoy the music. All right, I hope you like those samples. It's pretty cool, right? Now, one thing you notice on that one is you can actually go to their media kit, bottom of their website, and you can find these videos, all these videos they have. The one thing I always warn everyone about is remember that those videos may just be well crafted by them, but what I want to get is the same result they are getting on their videos, right? So just remember that part. We had that one incident where, remember that app, a horrible app, Cinema Flow or something? It was that case where it was saying that it could do all these things, but when you actually tried it, then it really couldn't. So with Lumalabs, I gotta say it's a little different. I'm gonna show you right now the video that it created. Actually, two videos it created, right? The Trans Am we talked about and the construction worker. Check out the construction worker feud, the actual argument. And we'll see that there. See? So you see the two workers arguing. The guy's upset, turns around. Someone's like, he's saying, "Hey, idiot, told you to put this here and there. Why are you doing that?" And the guy's like, "Oh, come on, man, and try my best." The cool thing is, I just clicked here. If you go over here to extend, and now you can have this. And what I'm guessing is on that ending frame, you're going to point it there, right? So there's that, and then you have the setups here. So let's say, for example, well, I gave it something else, which is after a brief argument, the two men start playing paper, rock, scissors to settle their dispute. Still working on it. It's been 7 minutes. But I'll leave you with this thought. You can actually clip some of these things. And the main thing that it's saying here, and this will be probably part 2 of the video, the main thing that it seems to be saying here is that you can actually grab the clips from here and here, and then you can continue the videos with the same reference of the same people. And that has been one of the biggest problems that AI has with images and everything else. So we're getting better at that. It's getting better. It's awesome. It's the way to do it. So I'm gonna put this here, but I mean, no promises. Then the man starts crying. I gave you the 2 references for those points there, the keyframes, and then see what happens to be. And I'll put that in shorts for us to watch. But anyway, I want to thank you all. We're over 430 subscribers. Last week it was only 2 days ago it was like 428. So thank you everybody for subscribing. If you don't want to subscribe, go ahead and hit the like button. It's all good. It helps the channel, it helps the algorithm, and it helps you if you want to keep seeing these videos. That's it for me. We'll see you on the next one.